नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप देख रहे हैं यान टीवी। मैं हूं आपके साथ वंशिका और आज हम आए हैं नेशनल म्यूज़ियम ऑफ इंडिया में। यहां पर एक बहुत ही यूनिक एग्जीबिशन जो है उसका आज इनॉग्रेशन हो चुका है। जो न्यूरो डाइवर्स पीपल होते हैं हमारे देश में, जो कि हम लोगों से कहीं ना कहीं पिछड़े रह जाते हैं, उन लोगों के आर्टवर्क को यहाँ पर आज सम्मानित किया जाएगा। यहाँ इनॉग्रेशन हो चुका है और अभी हमारे साथ में है राज चिंगप्पा सर। अब हम उनसे पूछेंगे उनका एक्सपीरियंस। सर, माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ टू यू कि जो यंग मीडिया है वो ऐसे इवेंट्स को इतना कवर नहीं कर पाती है, समटाइम्स दे इग्नोर इट। सो एज बीइंग अ जर्नलिस्ट, यंग नहीं पर आप बहुत ही ओल्ड जर्नलिस्ट हैं हमारे से, तो आप हमें कुछ गाइड करें इस बारे में कि कैसे हम इस फील्ड को कवर करें एंड कैसे हम लोगों को भी जागरूक करें कि वो न्यूरो डाइवर्स पीपल के आर्ट वर्क को देखें, उनकी जो गुड थिंग्स हैं उन पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दें।
I think journalism, essentially, people have to be curious, isn't it? And you have to be like a child. A child looks at everything with wonder. No? So that curiosity and to ask why. The big question journalists ask is why. Why is this happening? What's going on here? Now, when you come to neurodiversity, society needs to be really educated because neurodiversity people have so much of talent. The difference is that that person has to be neurotypical. They must behave in a certain manner, and if they don't, they are called diverse. Or earlier they used to be called disabled or handicapped or whatever it is. But we now realize that really they exhibit, as you can see, all these paintings have as much, if not more, talent than regular people. Right? So I think the moment you talk about disability and all these negative words, you begin to think that person is some way handicapped. I think society is handicapped by not understanding what that person is doing, that multiple talents, they don't have to be normal. And as journalists, we are also in some senses diverse, right? If we were all together, we would be boring. Yeah. So again, a journalist's brain works in a way of searching for truth, understanding that, asking that essential question, why? Why is this happening? Okay, so, and that means you must notice. And if you see how well they notice things, these colors, or any of these things, when we go to see the Eiffel Tower, for instance, we might just look at it and take a photograph. That artist sees something different. So uniqueness is very important. You will see that when you as journalists, you are looking for the different. You are looking for, what's new. That's essentially what you think. News is not just what is happening in Parliament or in, in the, what we are seeing now in elections and everything. News is a whole arrangement. So if you go to buy bread, and suddenly you see the prices go up from 1 rupee to 1 rupee 50 paise, you must ask why. Yeah. And then there's a whole story behind that why. That maybe the wheat crop had failed. Maybe there is in between some problems in terms of production of that. What is the cause of that thing? So if you walk on your own street and you see a nala, open nala, you will say it's an open nala. I'm sure you all went and have done this often. But you ever ask why is that open nala there? Yeah. Who's supposed to maintain it? Get into the system. So I think the understanding of all these issues is these are not regular beats. Very important that society seems to ignore these people. Like I narrated the story of a person that I met on the train going towards Taj Mahal who was blind, or now we call them visually impaired. Okay, but the curiosity, I was going for some other report. The real story was here. How did this man who comes all the way from Delhi to go and see the Taj Mahal, and how does he live his life? So I abandoned my story and sat with him for 3 days to understand what was happening in his life. So that is the quality of news. News is surprise. News is you must be open. News is doesn't mean I have to sit there and speak to the Prime Minister or the Chief Minister or anybody. News is even you and me can make news. And how you recognize that quality, how you say, oh, that's interesting. Why is it happening? So accident happens on the road. Our tendency is it's just an accident, but you go behind, there's a huge story behind that. What happened? Why does that person meet? Who's that person? What happens to their lives? There is stories and stories. Only there are boring people, boring journalists. There are no boring people. Okay?
Thank you.